I don't know. What's your middle initial?
S.
Laura S. Valle.
Yes.
The thing is that if you were to go with something like that, then
I have to rename everything again, right?
Well, you can, but then I think that would be very distinguishing. Laura S. Valle. So
That's
this you?
me.
Well, that's you.
Yes.
So
That's me already.
hi, this is Joanna Jose Glass from the rock band Glasspirits. Thank you so much for finding our channel, Music Tips by Pepe and Ybra, on YouTube, and thanks for tuning in to our new series, the Online Presence Checkup Show, aka the OPC Show. Online presence can include, but is not limited to, an artist's social media account, their website, Google search, and YouTube channel. What we'll be doing today is taking a look at the online presence of an artist or music business and talking about some of the actionable steps to make some improvement. Now, I have with me here a very special and talented guest. She is our label mate on Glasspirits' record label, Gloucester Records. She is none other than Laura S. Valle. Yeah, well, let's see. Let's go to your website and just take another look. Okay, you have home, about, video, news, EPK, contact. Okay, so there might be something with your page. I'm not a web developer or web designer per se. I mean, I can make websites, and I have made a lot, but I'm not familiar with Wix. And there might be something about the code and the structure of this website where it's not exactly clear.
Oh no, it can be set up. I just didn't probably set it up correctly. I have to explore into that.
Okay. Yeah. So make sure these aren't just links, that these are actual pages, and that they're labeled as pages. Yeah, sorry, I wish I could help you more and we could dig into it, but I don't know.
It's good at least that you brought the attention into that, so I can explore. It's okay.
Yeah, for example, let me look at Glasspirits, see if we've got it. Now, we have it. We have store, video, photos, bio. Okay. So the thing is, what we're lacking is we have 4,000 results, but, I'm not worried. We're going to get more results. That's the whole point of all this. But our website is coming up for Spotify. So we don't have too much
competition.
Too many people getting mixed up. However, when we're let me see so it looks like, oh no, that was my results. What someone has told me that they've entered before is Glasspirits, and then things completely unrelated to us came up, and then our results, they had to type in band, Glasspirits band to find us. But Google's really smart, and they'll eventually keep redirecting. And then also you can let me see, you can make suggestions. It's not showing up here, but you can make suggestions to Google. And one thing you can do, Laura Valle, let's see what happens. Okay, so there's a lot of Laura Valles, and which is why there's also 53.3 million.
For all of us.
I don't think you're, for all of you, I'm sorry, Laura, I don't think you're that popular yet, but you will get there. So, okay, now let's see here. Now, what you can try to do is when you log back onto your Google website, is you can try to give some feedback. Okay. So maybe you want to distinguish what kind of pop.
Yes, I think I tried, but it might have not accepted it, or because.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it. I'm gonna say it's incomplete.
Okay.
What would you like to put?
We have Latin pop, Latin jazz.
Latin pop, and I'll just put commas, Latin jazz. Okay. All right. Feedback. What else can I give feedback on? Okay, Gloucester Records, that's good. Albums, songs.
I wanted to include my Instagram profile, but also I couldn't figure out how to.
Okay.
I don't know if it's important.
When you're claiming your knowledge panel, you can include it, and also make sure on your website. Oh yeah, you do have. Do you have your Instagram?
Yes.
Yeah, you do have it. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, what was that?
Yeah, you can try to see if you can include more.
Okay, I'll explore
so
that.
Yeah. Okay, now what else? Musical artists. Are there other Laura Valle musical artists?
There are. There's a...
Okay, are they like all singers?
There is another singer. I don't think she's active now, but she released one album, and that shows in All Music profile.
Okay.
I don't have that album. I talked to her once. I know she has a couple of videos too. So she sings jazz.
Okay. Is she Latina, Latinx?
Yes. She's
okay,
in Peru,
so
I believe. But she's I don't think she's very active lately.
Okay.
She was, but not anymore.
Is this her?
No, but if you go on YouTube, you will see her videos.
Okay.
I don't believe.
All right, and that's why it's really also important to have this kind of straightened out, because Google owns. I know I've told you this a couple times already off camera, but Google owns YouTube, so YouTube powers their search through Google.
Yes.
So it's very important to have those kind of things squared away. Okay. All right, but we'll look at YouTube in depth. Okay. So then, we already filled this in. Musical artist. That's true.
Do you want to be more specific? Singer-songwriter?
Well, hold on. Let me think. What does Sarah American? Let's see. Here we go. Sarah Bareilles, American singer-songwriter. So I feel like that's specific. But I don't know what you have plans in the future, because I know you compose. I know.
Let's leave it like
musical
that.
Artist is musical artist is very general.
Yeah.
But I don't know if that other Laura is also gonna be a singer. So maybe that's if she's showing up on search results. Okay. All right. So So basically, on your website, it looks like things are optimized in a way where they are showing up on Google. So the primary thing is to make sure We're now going to take a break for a quick announcement. You want to see us live? Well, track us on bandsintown.com. If you like our content, subscribe, like, and comment. You know the deal. You can also support us on Patreon for as little as $1 a month. What is Patreon? Patreon is a platform that allows fans to support creators. You can donate a certain amount per month, 1, 3, 5, 7, 10, so we can have a consistent and sustained way of bringing music to you. Depending on what tier, which is the level that you feel comfortable supporting us at, you'll have either early access to merch, future music, or concert tickets, or exclusives like live video and behind the scenes footage that won't be available on our public platforms. In the meantime, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Spotify, SoundCloud, and Twitter. We're on all these platforms to make it easy for you to communicate with us. There will be a link in the bio or a video description or comments. Now back to the show. Google. So the primary thing is to make sure you're distinguishing yourself from different Laura Valles, because at the end of the day, there are more overpowering different Laura Valles, which is why this is kind of small.
Oh.
So eventually when you get more popular, this will just appear right away.
Yeah.
But yeah, but your name is so common. That's why I was suggesting to make sure you had something like Laura Valle, whether it's like from Argentina, where it's like you're not completely where you're not completely renaming yourself, but it's something, it's just another thing. Well, yeah, I guess to attach to your name.
Another word. A third word, you mean?
A third word or a middle name as well. So or the middle initial. I don't know, what's your middle initial?
S.
Laura S. Valle.
Yes.
The thing is that if you were to go with something like that, then
I have to rename everything again, right?
Well, you can, but then I think that would be very distinguishing. Laura S. Valle. So
That's
this you?
me.
Well, that's you.
Yes.
So
that's me already. I think because
I feel like
in some places I give my middle initial, like for copyright issues.
I think it sounds nice, LSV. It sounds like a fashion, is especially since you're trying to be like glamorous. It does kind of sound like it sounds like, oh, here we go, going back to your products, that you can have like nice art and put like LSV or something. And just an idea in like really serif font. That's kind of what I'm seeing, But anyway, but I hope you received some benefit from this video. Tell us in the comments what you thought of it, or tell us what you're going to do about what you're passionate about. How are you going to make it? But wait, there's more. Go ahead and click on the video below to hop to the next part or to the related video. Or if you're eager to check out my band Glasspirits' music, go to the videos here. There'll be time